Hello everyone, let's go ahead and see how we can create a simple int array in Java. Okay, here we have a fresh Android Studio project. Now below of this public class, I will go ahead and create int and then square brackets. Now we can provide array variable name. Let's say arr int 1 like that. Now we can set this equals to new int and then square brackets again. Now braces, inside braces we can provide elements as we want. The thing is, we are not limiting how many elements only should be there. We are not specifying the maximum value here. Alright, then we can add many elements to this array. Now let's go ahead and see another way to create an array. Now this concept is known as inline initialization. Okay, now as similar to that, we are saying int square brackets and then variable name. Here we are not especially saying we are creating a new int. Instead we can use directly braces like this. Inside braces we can put values directly like this. Now there are no limitation, we can put many elements to this array. Now the final one, let's go ahead and see how we can limit how many elements should be there only. That means up to that amount that could contain elements. Let's go ahead and say int and then square brackets. Here arr int tree is equals to, now here we are saying new int. Now inside square brackets we have to provide how many element only should be there, up to 10, right? Now for better use, let's say tree only, then we can add elements below. In the onCreate method or below of this declaration we can say arr int tree and then the first value we are going to use the first element as 0 and we can set this equals to a value, let's say as like this. Now how we can add the second element to the array, we can say arr int tree and then first means we are going to access the second element of an array. Here we can set a value to that. Also here arr int tree, the third value, which is the position 2, like that. Now there are only 3 values, right? And that's how to do that. Okay, and I'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.